Hello friends, let's make chicken lasagna. We need 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 medium sized onion and 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 shredded chicken breast. So after frying a little bit, let's add 1 medium size of tomato and 1 medium size of green bell pepper, some salt to taste and add some oregano and some black pepper. Now let's add 1 cup of tomato sauce. Now let's cover and cook for 10 minutes. And now let's make the white sauce. We need 2 spoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cup of milk, some salt to taste, some black pepper. Delicious easy lasagna is ready. Keep smiling.